I am walking home and it is starting to storm. Thought I'd go for a walk today. Look at the clouds. It's starting to hail. I was gonna go visit a friend and she wasn't there. She was actually not there. So I'm walking home. I got a ride up there, but I'm walking home now. And I didn't get to visit her because she wasn't there. And now I'm just walking in the storm. You guys, thanks for coming for a walk with me. Just walking and walking. Go for a little walk with me. Just up to that corner and then I'll turn the camera off and then I'm almost home. Snowstorm. At least I'm dressed for it. I've got my pants and my what I got? Pants. Oh, I can't see. Hard to show you guys what I'm wearing. Oh, but look at this clouds. Look at them clouds. Oh, it didn't even take me long to go back because I guess I'm getting used to walking now. It doesn't feel as long as it used to feel. I'm almost home. Almost at that corner. And I just live down the street. If you hear jingling, it's my coffee mug. Here we go, here we go. Oh, there's something on the side of the road if somebody needs it. I don't need any of that stuff. No, then. We're gonna walk on this side. Woo! Ooh. Alright, thanks for walking with me, guys. I gotta put this away. My hands are cold. Cold.